Okay, seems to be working. I was trying to figure out how to do this. I'm just about to take a shot with my bow and arrow here. Haven't done this for a while. I'm shooting from 20 feet away. Let's see. Oh, hunting. Oh, I think I talked to him last night, the hunter. Yeah, he wanted to spend the evening with me. I said, I'm tired. Let's see. Let's see how I do it. Oh, nope. That went way over the top. Okay, pick up my other arrow. Here's my other arrow. Go like that. And I'm going to give this another shot. Not bad. Pretty close to the bullseye. 20 feet away. Alright. Now, this is ready to go. And I'm ready to thread up my rod here with a little piece of leftover trout and fisheye. Gross, eh? And chestnuts roasting on an open fire. And I'm ready to put in my duck eggs and my chicken eggs. It's ready to go. I'm poaching them. So, this is how we do it. Can I still do it one-handed? Let's see. One chicken egg. Ah! And I screwed. No, that's the duck egg. That's the duck egg. This is the chicken egg. Hey, that one worked. I don't need 4. Okay. Now, here's the gruesome part. The gruesome part where I put on just a piece of trout and a fisheye. Okay. Ah! Get out of there. Don't snag my finger again. Get that out of there. All right. So I've got a couple of hooks here and a bobber. So first, let's put the fisheye on the bottom. And then the salmon piece on the top. Okay. It's on. So, while breakfast is cooking, I'm going to make a cast down at the pier. Look at that. Okay. This is going to take a while to cook, I think. So, I think there's only one person left here. It's October the 16th. And the leaves are falling. Lots of colors. Where's my weight? Oh, it's at the top of the bobber. Okay. So, do one cast. See what happens. Best time to catch fish is early in the morning. My back is doing better today. Maybe that jump out of the airplane yesterday helped. I don't know how much more memory I have on this video. I have no idea. think I need a new phone. There's a few minnows jumping. Okay. Let's put it out there. There's a big drop off here, I heard. Okay, there we go. So there's my rod. And oh yeah, it really drops off here. I can see it. It's so clear here. Wow. Amazing. Here we go. Well, that wasn't very good. I could have done better than that, but let's just leave it there for a few minutes.